Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to search for standards-based lessons that fit the unique levels and needs of your learners using CommonLit.org. Welcome to CommonLit, an English teacher's secret weapon. To give you an overview, CommonLit allows you to choose a text-based lesson, share it with your students, and track their progress as they complete it. Let's browse the library. The filter bar in the left corner will be your best friend if you want to tailor lessons to fit the needs of your classes. Under content type, I check off texts because today I'm only looking for one assignment rather than a whole unit or a text set. Next, I can choose the grade level that I'm trying to find material for. In this case, I will select 10th grade. If you know the Lexile range or reading levels of your learners, you can also enter it here. I'll do that today. I'll put minimum 690 and maximum 800, but you must hit the submit button in order for the Lexile to be counted. There we go. This next section is one of my favorites. If I'm teaching my students some different literary devices, say figurative language and internal conflict, I can click those two literary devices and all of my selections will include something about them. It's perfect for review. Finally, I can make sure that this CommonLit assignment is hitting the exact standard I'm working on with my English classes using the standard box. If we are practicing RL 1.2, theme and summary, I can click this box. Perfect. You can scroll back to the top and check all of your selections in the left-hand corner. Lucky for me, CommonLit found 3 different options that fit my needs for this particular assignment. You can look at the short blurbs underneath the titles and figure out which fits the appeal or the interests of your classes the most. I personally am a big Jason Reynolds fan, and my students tend to love his stuff, so I am going to choose Eraser Tattoo and just click on it. From here, you will have the option to either download the PDF if you are using paper-based materials, or you can hit the Assign button if you would like your students to work on this text assignment online. My next video will guide you through the process of actually assigning the standards-based CommonLit text set to your students. Thanks for watching.